It's time again for the annual fundraiser for the JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans Abroad Helping Jamaicans at Home, on Saturday, July 19, from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. at 1103 Fulton Street, downtown Brooklyn. Please join JAHJAH Foundation's founder, Dr. Trevor Dixon, and his team for their summer fundraiser, raising funds for much-needed equipment for healthcare institutions in Jamaica, such as the Kingston Public Hospital, Percy Junior Hospital, Hanbury's Children's Orphanage, Mapen Hospital, and Ulster Spring Health Center. Come and enjoy delectable Jamaican cuisine, music, and a chance to meet and network with beautiful people. Donation is $60. Door prize, 2-night stay at the Grand Palladium Spa and Resort. Please visit JAHJAH Foundation's website for more information. www.jahjahfoundation.org.